Hey everybody, it's Hannah from Poco Youth Services. Today we're going to make a 3-egg classic French omelette. Alright, so my hands are clean. I washed them for 20 seconds, soap and warm water. I'm doing a 3-egg omelette today. So I have cracked my eggs into my bowl. There's no shell in there. And my pan is heating up on medium-low heat. And I'm just going to start whisking my eggs. Give them a really good mix. Okay, I'm going to put a pinch of salt and whisk some more. Now I'm going to go into my pan that's been heating up with a knob of butter or margarine. Okay, so I'm going to put my eggs in the pan, and I'm immediately going to start mixing them because I do not want them stick on the bottom. So at this point you could keep going and bring it to a scramble. But we're gonna add a little bit of cheese and make a really nice omelet. Now I've got them pretty much all the way done. I'm gonna take it off of the heat. Add my cheese on top. Bring the edges down. Now what's really easy about this, don't have to flip it, just let it set up. And then I'm going to hold the pan away from me and just slowly roll the omelet down the pan. So I've got my omelet rolled up. Slide it on to my plate. There you go. Your classic French omelet.